Hi kids. How are you today? Let's learn names of prayers. How many times do we perform prayers in a day? Muslims perform prayers 5 times a day. The names of these prayers are Fajr, Zohar, Asar, Maghrib. Isha. When to perform these prayers? When we should perform Fajr? From dawn until sunrise. Dawn means the early morning time, when the light first appears in the sky. We can perform Fajr from that dawn time till the sunrise. When to perform Dhuhr? From afternoon until the start of Asar. Means from midday time till the next prayer of Asar. When to perform Asar? From afternoon until sunset. Means time after the noon till sunset. We can perform Asar prayer. When you should perform Maghrib? From sunset until the disappearance of twilight. Twilight means the time before the night falls. Means we can perform Maghrib from sunset till the night falls. At what time you should perform Isha prayer? After twilight disappears until dawn. Means as the night falls till the light appears in the sky. We can perform Isha. How many rakat are there in each prayer? Fajr, 4 rakats. Zohar, 12 rakats. Asar, 8 rakats. Maghrib, 7 rakats. Isha, 17 rakats. Let's repeat the name of prayers one more time. Fajr, Zohar, Asar, Maghrib. Isha. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.